In this video, I will show how to write this union symbol in Microsoft Excel. So click on Insert, then Equation. And once you click on Equation, here in this Symbols section, just find out this union symbol. Select it. You can use this shortcut to write it /CPU and type here CUP. So write this code and press spacebar one time. CUP and press space. That's it. So this is the way you can write union symbol in Excel. Thanks for watching.